Your why are people supporting modded versions of Dandy's World? Like Dolly's Factory and Toon's Universe are fine cause they don't steal models, but Sprout's World or Dandy's World modded are just stolen models and maps. Like it's flipping gosh darn annoying, like make your own models bro, like seriously it's lazy. And people end up saying,
well, why did you delete D&D Wire?
like, to be honest, I don't know how Wobby or whatever is still getting away with this, but bro, he has Ox and I still don't get why he can't just use them and make his own models. And it happens with other games, I'm pretty sure. Anyways, if you have anything more to rant about this rant, feel free. Original Rants out.